height.css is another file. Height.html and height.css. Okay, in height.html file, we will write a HTML head style open close import height.css. Now write a body tag. Under body tag, you will create height auto, mean height. Height auto. After that, mean height example. You will create a division, not division, p tag id equal to block 1 inside this p block 1 write some text inside. Equal text. You can keep 3 places. One paragraph is done. Same way, copy, paste 3 times. Block 1, block 2, block 3. Block 1, block 2, block 3. Block 1, block 2, block 3. No, please. Yeah. Block 1, block 2, block 3. Now we can go to the CSS file. Block 1 will be height. Block 2 will be mean height. And block 3 will be height auto. Content is equal. Okay. So 3 times we have to write the ID. One place will be I hope your HTML is ready. in CSS file now as. So what we will do is write has. First for paragraph you write for each block we can write separate. Block 1 height 100 pixel width 200 pixel background red color float left margin 30 pixel. Check now block 1 anything is coming. For block 1 it's going out of the box because height is fixed and content is more. Next the same thing you write for block 2. Block 2 same thing you write for block 3. Block 1 block 2 block 3. Coming block 1 block 2 block 3. Okay, all 3 should come in same line, but content is going out of the window because height is limited and content is more. Now in block 1 let it be. Go to the block 2. In block 2 instead of height you change the property called mean height. So meaning of mean height is minimum height will be certain what is given. If you have more content, the height will get extended automatically. Okay, your content will not feel overflow. But problem is it will be minimum 100 pixel. You are given the minimum 100 px. So if no content, also it will have 500 pixel. If content is more, it will increase. Let's look at here. Is covered. Next, in case if content is less, what will happen? I will show you. I'll go to the block 2 and I will keep very less content. This much. Right? Saved it. Then let me show you. Minimum is 100. If content will be more, it will increase. Okay, minimum is 100. If content is more, it will increase. That is called mean height. Okay, now compare to height and mean height look better because some user will have more data, some user will have less data. So for less data, certain will be fixed, but if the data is more, automatically it will get increased. Third one now. In the third case, we can write called height auto. So it is not any content, it is not anything based on your minimum or maximum, it is fully based on content. If content is more, it will increase, content is less, it will decrease. Okay, so these three types of height we have, we can use it. In case if you are not writing the height property, like suppose all three places you have written the width, but you have not mentioned the height. What will be the default height? Right? Default height will be auto. According to content, the height will get increased. If you have not written the height, if you write the height, then it will be the whether minimum height or maximum height which we wrote, but it will be fixed up to that much. Another property we have called max height also. Max height. Okay, max hyphen height. So minimum this much and maximum this much. Okay. More than that, don't show anything. Just hide it. Now come to the browser. Look at the height auto, how it works. Height auto is something like this. I will decrease the content of second block, third block. See, let's decrease the content. Decrease the content of see, height become small. See, increasing and decreasing. So this is three types of height we have. Now come to the again another file that we have four type of width we have. In that, in media query, you have seen minimum and maximum. Two more is there. One is pixel based, another one is called percentage based. That you can write. Separate file you create. Width.html. In that, we can call heights or CSS. In the same CSS file, we can write the CSS. Okay. So let's call the height.css file under the width. Body open close. HTML also you open and close. Any festival is today? Anywhere? No festival, no? All are absent today. How they will not? Come inside the body tag. Write the division with the ID called anything block. Write text something. Before that, H1 tag, CSS, width in px, comma, percentage ps and percentage example. Okay. So what is the ID? Block 4 we have written. Come to the CSS file. Yeah, router I have written from. Let's start. Next we have called block 4. We can go inside the height dot this file. Right here has block 4 and right inside call width 2000 pixel and background red color white color, and then height also gives certain 100 px. Height 100 px means a fixed. Right for main height 300 px. X align center also you write. Width, background, color, mean height, text align. Width is 2000 pixel. Next, when you run this file, to run this division, width how much is required? 2000 pixel. Okay. CSS route. Now run this width file. See, to run that, width is required how much? 2000. 2000. I'll say. In case if we reduce also, let's consider not 2000. Keep it 1000. One developer is or 200 I given. Not 200 something else. Here is a 2000. No. Now suppose assume like one developer is creating a page. His screen size is 1000 pixel. Width of his screen is 1000 pixel. He makes the page for the 1000 pixel screen. Yeah, something like this. He made for 1000 screen. Next, another customer open the page. Another customer open the page. This is the CSS code. Why it will not work? Write this. This is HTML code. Copy paste and check. Check for HTML and check the CSS. I will send you all three files. You can replace it. I.html, I.css, width.html. All three files are sent. Then it says here, when we run the file, now to run this particular division, we required a screen of minimum 1000 pixel. Now suppose a person will open the lab page in a mobile phone. Then for him, the page will look like this. Content will come, but a scroller will come. It has to scroll left and right. It has to scroll left, right. Okay. That is the next problem. So what to do? How to find the solution for this? Because every user a screen pixel width will be different. But when you say percentage wise, in your window also your screen is 100% width. In my window also a screen is width 100%. So if you are calculating based on percentage, then you will not find the difference. It will be always proper. If you are calculating based on pixel, then user wise the pixel of the screen will get changed. Okay. So now we'll come to the CSS file, and instead of writing a 1000 pixel, if you convert into somewhere 100% or maybe 80% or maybe 90%, anything. Suppose 90% I wrote. So it will always take the width as a 90%. Okay. Now let's come to the browser and see now. In every screen, whichever the size you run, window width will be always The division will be taking always how much? Same. See, some space, 10% space is in the right side. If you add here one property called margin auto, add one property called margin colon auto, margin auto. I sent you how many times I should send? I sent here. It's showing directly in the chat. I sent you again. Let me know you received or not. You are logging in the mobile or laptop. In mobile, what is the use of that file? In mobile, file will not show the zoom. You have to log in laptop. In mobile, file will not come. You need to log in the system. Then only the file will come. Okay. So see now, margin auto you given. You can see it is fitting properly. When we go here, correct? When we come down, it will be complete 90% in all the devices. That is the difference of pixel and percentage. People also ask in interview what you will recommend, pixel or percentage. Then we can say percentage is the best option, not for height, for the width purpose only. For height, we have three options: height, mean height, and height auto. If you want to make page dynamic, you can make height auto is also fine, or mean height is also fine. Only height will not be suitable. But when you talk about the width, how to make the width completely flexible according to device, then width should be under the percentage, and height should be either mean height or height auto. Okay, height should not be only height. Then you will ask why then height is required. Not necessary that every time the content will increase only. Sometimes content is fixed also. You want to display the profile photo always 100 by 100. So there we can write height completely, always it will be fixed. It will not get increase and decrease. Okay. Okay. So next after this, we need to create another file to understand the background. How many way we can write the background. Next file we can create background.html and background.css. Background.html and background.css. HTML we can start. Again, follow the head part, all the style part, import that background.css. div bg1 id equal to bg1, bg2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, bg2 bg3 bg4 bg5 bg6 bg7 bg8 bg9. h1 type of background in css, align center. Okay, fine, ready. Come to the css now. Background.css file. Background.css file. First, write for div tag common css. Height should be 200 pixel. Width should be 250 pixel. Or we can make something else. Height is okay. Width, let it be 21%. Okay, then margin 2%. Float colon left. And then box hyphen shadow 0px 0px 2px gray color. So this is common for all the division. So all the division will look similar. Height, width, margin, float, box shadow. How many are coming in one line? 4, 5. Four are coming in one line. Four are coming. Now background should be different. So common property we wrote one place. All the division, size, width should be same, but the background should be different. In this, you have not written the background. Now to write the background, you have hash bg1. You will write background colon. Let's write red. Another place bg2 background green. But background hyphen color you will write. Red only we can keep. bg1, bg2 showing anything? Both are same color. Property is different, color is same. See what is the property? One place background, another place background hyphen color. bg3 you can write. Background color RGB. RGB. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Okay, now you have to pass the number. It's a 0 to 255 color combination. So suppose for red I kept 100. So out of 255, how much? 100 level. 100 level will be red. Green, let's keep 80. The green value will be lower than red. Blue, 120. So the blue value will be more. So it will not show like a blue. It will show you the mix up of three colors. Red, green, blue we taken mixed together. Then which color it will create? Like this. BG1, BG2, BG3. Next, after that, we have next property called background hyphen color only. But one more property will get applied called A. It is going to help you to set the brightness level. Opacity also you can call. Opacity. RGB. So let's write here call 0.5 half brightness. So the block 4 will be half color than block 3. In block 3, you have the same color combination. In block 4, we have the same color combination, but brightness is 50%. 50%. something like this. It now. Next we have called BG5. In BG5, we will be using some other color combination. Other color combination what represent? In your current folder, you put one photo first. In which folder? Import CSS. Keep one photo and rename as a 1.jpg. Keep a photo. From external, you may have photo. No. Internal, we have photo. No. Inline, you have photo. No. In HTML, we have photo anywhere. Take photo from some other folder. Take some 2-3 photos if you have. One photo is okay as of now. Copy and paste in. Get the photo. At least one photo you can give there. And what is the photo name? One, something else. You can right click and rename. Right click and rename your photo. Place as a one. It should be already JPG or PNG. Come to the CSS file now. Fifth one, BG5. BG5 background hyphen image colon URL 1.jpg background hyphen image colon URL 1.jpg. So now behind the division, the background will be as a image. For that we have other solution. width, not width, background hyphen size, background hyphen size 100%, 100%, 100% height, 100% width. Background hyphen image, 100% height, 100% width. It will cover properly. Check now, image is fitting in the box. 100% height, 100%. So next, after this, two more we have, we can add it. We can write BG6. BG6 we can write background hyphen image linear gradient. Linear hyphen linear gradient. Background hyphen image linear gradient. Linear gradient. You can write here color name red, green, blue. Linear gradient, GRADIENT, gradient. Linear gradient, red, green, blue. First red, then green, then blue. Top to bottom. By default, top to bottom. Right, 7. Two left, everything same. Two left, comma, red, green, blue. Two left, red, green, blue. Happening. Okay. Next, another one is to right. BG7, BG8. Linear gradient to right. One more is there. To top. To top. First one is to bottom. The first one is written linear gradient. Sixth one, that is called to bottom. This is to top. These all are the background color we have. We can use it. See it now. Something like this. One more topic we have, that is called Flexbox. Okay, that we'll see tomorrow. Flexbox. Link already we have learned. Now we are learning import. Instead of import, you can use link also. You have both idea. Link also you can use, import also we can use. So this method